Geographic tongue is a disorder of epithelial tissue turnover on the tongue dorsal surface. Very occasionally, this turnover can be seen on the oral mucosa also. So, this tongue seem to be red patches on the dorsum of the tongue, which gradually heals and new epithelium is produced. So, this red patches on the dorsum of tongue is called geographic tongue. Normal epithelium replacement occurs in a scattered part of the tongue mucosa at the same time and it is not noticed, but in geographic tongue adjacent epithelium area have synchronized turnover within the thinning of mucosa as occur in the geographic tongue. This thinning make the red color of the connective tissue more visible and seen as the red patches on the dorsum of the tongue. This entire process takes about 10 days but may be progressive over adjacent area of the tongue which lead to the appearance of the condition moving across the tongue. So this epithelial turnover can moves around at different location because this is happening all over the dorsum of the tongue. Although it can be continuous process if often occur at interval about 2 to 3 months in susceptible individuals. Most of the patient doesn't have any symptoms, but proportion of the patient may be sensitive to the spicy diet. This sensitivity is more noticed in the children and young adult. With age, the sensitivity reduces and most symptomatic patients require no treatment other than avoiding irritant specific diet. Topical anesthetics such as benzodiazepine can be helpful if symptoms are particularly bad, but as the cause of the reduced epithelial proliferation is unknown, no curative treatment is available for the geographic tongue.